In the heart of the city stood a luxury toy factory.
Inside, it wasn't just any toys. This was a place where dreams came alive.
Teddy Tom, the golden bear, was carefully stitched together by gentle robotic arms.
Meanwhile, RoboRacer, the luxury toy car, rolled off the assembly line with precision and care.
Pixie Panda received its sparkling colors, every detail perfect under the golden lights.
Every toy was carefully inspected, as if it were a priceless treasure. On the conveyor belts, not just toys, but joy itself traveled.
Each toy was placed in its luxury box, ready to spread happiness.
The factory didn't just make toys, it created childhood dreams.
And at dawn, these dreams began their journey to children all around the world.